हाँ, तो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू लेक्चर नंबर 27 एंड एक्सरसाइज 5.3 ऑफ चैप्टर 5 and chapter 5 is belongs to arithmetic progression students. Okay, I hope you are very well in your homes and doing practice for your coming half yearly examinations. And students, without delay, we take directly here, exercise 5.3, question number 3rd, part 6. So students, in previous video, we have solved some portion of this question, and remaining portion are to be set to you to solve. I hope you have had solved the sum, but still, we have again this question, and in this question, A is to D 8, S and 90 is given here, and we have to find N and AN. So students, first of all we use formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay students, and here AN is equal to 2 plus N minus 1 into D is here 8, and after solving AN is equal to 2 plus 8N minus 8, AN is equal to 8N minus 2 minus 8 minus 6. Okay students, so by this way we have AN, the value of AN is 8N minus 6. In further ahead we will use this value AN. So okay students, so I hope you are doing practice, making fair notes, and you are solving, and still if you have any problem, you are already told you that you can ask questions. Okay students, so now we use for Sn is equal to n upon 2 here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the value of Sn is 90. 90 is equal to n upon 2. Students, n is unknown, 2a, and this can be written as a plus an also. अगर आप चाहें तो a को लिख सकते हैं a plus a n minus 1 into 2. सॉरी, इसको आप लिख सकते हैं ऐसे भी a plus n minus 1 into d, और दिस इज नथिंग स्टूडेंट, दिस इज a n, यानी कि आप इसको डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं a plus a n. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो नाउ हियर we have categorized a and an. Now we can take an from here and a from there. Now 90 is equal to n upon 2. Students, the value of a is 2 plus an is 8n minus 6. Okay, now doing cross multiplication here. So students, 190 is equal to n, but here 8n minus 4, 8n minus 4, bracket close. Now 180 is equal to multiply 8n square minus 4n, or you can write here 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Dividing both the side by 4 से दोनों साइड में डिवाइड करने पर, तो वी कैन राइट 2n स्क्वायर माइनस n माइनस, आप 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे यू विल गेट 45 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस प्रोसेस वी हैव ऑब्टेन्ड अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Okay students, now you can use here many methods like prime factorization method, means middle term split method, और quadratic formula method. आप कोई भी इसमें मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं, quadratic formula और factorization. For example, we use factorization, then 45 into 2, 45 multiplied by 2 is equal to 90, and if we have 10 into 9, then we can get 90, and 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, because at middle there is 1. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2n square minus 10 minus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Open bracket, 2n square minus 10n minus plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. टेक कॉमन, अगर आप कॉमन लेंगे यहाँ पर तो 2 इज कॉमन हियर, सॉरी 2n अंडर ब्रैकेट n minus 5, next term, pair of term 9 is common, then you can get n minus 9 5 is 45 is equal to 0. In both the terms n minus 5 is common, and we have another factor 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So here students, if n minus 5 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 5, means number of terms 5. But here if 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, then we can get n is equal to minus 9 upon 2. And this is a negative fraction which is not possible. So the value of n is equal to minus 9 upon 2 is not acceptable. Okay, only n is equal to 5 is acceptable. Here we have n is equal to 5. Okay students, write down the solution. हाँ, तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी हैड n इज इक्वल टू 5, ये हमको वैल्यू मिली थी. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड an. सो an इज इक्वल टू वी हैव 8n minus 6. 8n minus 6 putting n is equal to 5. 8 into 5 minus 6, 8 5 ja 40 minus 6, that is 34. So another term means an is 34 and n is 5. These are the answers and complete solution of part 6 of question 3rd. Okay students, write down. We take another important part, part 8th part of question number 3rd. Okay students, pause it and write down. So now students, we have 8th part of question number 3rd in which an is 4, d common difference is 2, sn sum of n term is minus 14 and we have to find n and a. So we start here from an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. तो first of all we use this formula. सबसे पहले हम इस फार्मूले को यूज करेंगे. The value of an is 4 is equal to a is a known students here, plus n minus 1, n is also unknown, n minus 1, but d is 2. After solving, 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2. Transpose minus 2 to the left hand side, or 6 is equal to a plus 2n. तो we will use this value ahead. हम आगे इस वैल्यू को यूज करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. वी हैव 6 is equal to a plus 2n. Now Sn is equal to, we know, n upon 2 bracket close 2a plus n minus 1 into d students here. The value of Sn is minus 14 is equal to, n is unknown, right, and this expression can be written as a plus this can be written as student a plus n minus 1 into d. आप देख रहे हैं कि इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द an की वैल्यू क्या थी आपको? 4 थी. द वैल्यू ऑफ an इज, दिस इज नथिंग बट an. राइट डाउन हियर, फर्स्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो minus 28 इज इक्वल टू n ब्रैकेट a plus an. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ रिमेंबर an इज हियर 4 एंड a की वैल्यू आप यहां से निकाल लीजिए. तो a कैन बी रिटन एज 6 minus 2n. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो दीज आर टू वैल्यूज. a फ्रॉम हियर वी टेक एंड an फ्रॉम देयर. an की वैल्यू आप यहां से रखेंगे यहां पर, और a की वैल्यू आप जो यहां निकाले हैं इससे लिखेंगे. तो हियर minus 28 इज इक्वल टू n, और a की वैल्यू आपकी है 6 minus 2n प्लस an इज 4. तो minus 28 इज इक्वल टू n, 6 4 10 minus 2n मल्टीप्लाई n minus 28 इज इक्वल टू 10n minus 2n स्क्वायर. और वी कैन राइट दिस, अगर हम इसको सिस्टमेटिक वे में लिखना चाहें तो वी कैन राइट 2n स्क्वायर माइनस 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. And after dividing by 2 both the side, 2 से हम both the side divide करेंगे तो we can get n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0 students. So students, we have a new quadratic equation, and with the help of methods we will find the value of n. Okay students, you can use here formula, quadratic formula, or factorize it. 14 can be written as 7 2 is 14 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So okay students, write the solution. So students, we have n square minus 5n, n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. We can write n square minus 7 minus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0, or n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Make pair, take common. N is common here, n minus 7 plus 2 is common here, n minus 7 is equal to 0. In both the factors, in both the terms, n minus 7 is common. We have n plus 2 is equal to 0. Here, if n minus 7 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 7. First answer. And students, here, if n plus 2 is equal to 0, then you can get minus 2, and which is not acceptable value. N cannot be negative, students, because n is a number of terms. तो we can take n is equal to 7. तो number of terms आप देख रहे हैं कि n की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 7. Now we want to find a. अब a की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए we should put the value n in this equation. तो you can write here from a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Now 6 minus 2, and n, the value of n is 7. Here 7. So 6 minus 14, and you know 6 minus 14 is minus 8. So your answer is a is minus 8 and n is 7, students. Okay, students, pause it and write the solution. तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 ऑफ 5.3. हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पर हैं, जो लिखा हुआ है हाउ मैनी टर्म्स ऑफ एपी इज गिवन हियर मस्ट बी टेकन टू गिव अ सम ऑफ 636. इट मीन्स इट इज आस्क्ड दैट फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन हुज सम इज 636. मतलब कितने टर्म्स का सम 636 होगा. तो here we have students series AP 9, 17, 25 etc. तो first term A is 9 here, and common difference D is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. तो first term 9 and D is 8. Okay students. तो first of all we have to find, we can use directly sum, formula of sum. Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay students, so we will write here the given values. Sn is, this is Sn, sum of n term. So it can be 636 is equal to n upon 2 bracket close 2 into first term is here 9 plus n minus 1 into d is here 8. Okay students. Now doing cross multiplication, 636 to ja 1272. This is equal to n under bracket 18 here 8n minus 8 after opening bracket open करने के बाद. तो we can write here 1272 is equal to n under bracket 18 minus 8 10 plus 8n. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ऐसा होगा. नाउ ओपन 1272 is equal to 10n plus 8n square, और यू कैन राइट 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. Student, we can be divide by 2. Yes, we can divide by 2. और अगर आप इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे पूरे इक्वेशन को, तो यू कैन गेट 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Student, तो this is another quadratic equation. तो student, we have new quadratic equation, and certainly I hope you will find the solution of this using factor method or by using सीधी तरह 4 मेथड। तो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स हियर वी हैव a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 636. Okay, so use formula method. Use formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root v square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay students, we have this formula and you can put the value and solve it. Okay students, so write down this solution. So welcome students, here we have another question, question number 6, and this question is written the first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. So we can write here, given first term a is equal to 17 and last term here an is equal to 350. Okay students, and if the common difference is 9, so d is equal to 9 here. How many terms? So we have to find number of terms, question mark, and Sn, sum of n term. So we have to find number of terms and sum of n terms. Okay students, so don't worry, and we will use mainly two formulas. So we have had here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 350 and a is 17 plus n minus 1 and d is here 9. तो we will calculate to find number of terms. Number of terms पता करने के लिए हम इसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो 350 माइनस 17 इज इक्वल टू n माइनस 1 इंटू 9. आप इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आई थिंक ये आपका आएगा 333. ओके, एंड इज इक्वल टू 9 तो हियर स्टूडेंट मल्टीप्लाइड 9n माइनस 9 एट हियर 333 प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 9n. आप इसको ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 342 इज इक्वल टू 9n. और हियर n इज इक्वल टू 342 अपॉन 9. जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो आई थिंक 9 8 जा 38. आई थिंक 38 टाइम्स जाएगा. तो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स स्टूडेंट्स देयर विल बी 38 नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स विल बी देयर. तो n आपको क्या मिला? आपको n मिला 38. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू विल फाइंड द सम ऑफ n terms. Write this. So students, here we have n38. Now we have to find Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay students, we can write here Sn is equal to n upon 2 or a plus an also, because we have this term and this term. So Sn we want to know, Sn n means 38 is equal to 38 upon 2. The first term is here 17 and an is 350. So student, you can use both the formulas, this one or that one. अगर आप इस फार्मूले को यूज करना चाहते हैं तो इसको भी यूज कर सकते हैं. आपको n मालूम है 38, d मालूम है आपको 9 और a मालूम है आपको. इस फार्मूले, डायरेक्ट फार्मूले से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. और यू कैन यूज दिस वन आल्सो, आप इसको भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो ये आपको हो जाएगा 19 एंड यहाँ पे 17 प्लस 350. आप इसको ऐड करेंगे तो ऐड करने पे 367. अब इसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. मल्टीप्लाई इट एंड फाइंड योर आंसर. तो ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक today's lecture is over, and students, we will solve some more questions of same exercise in next video. Till then, write down और आप इसको पॉज करके नोट कीजिए। यदि आपको पसंद आया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, आपको नए वीडियोज मिलते रहेंगे, और अपनी क्वेरीज भी भेजिए। और ये जो सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं बुक के, इनका आप नोट्स बनाते रहिए। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो नाउ बी रेडी फॉर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, लेक्चर नंबर 28. We'll meet again. Till then, keep watching this video and keep solving your sums. Okay students, take care of yourself. Thanks.